Here's the Toyota SDK8 diesel skid steer. So I picked this up last week because I couldn't find anybody to do this driveway area that the asphalt was all messed up on. So never driven one of these things before, never operated before, and got rid of some of these potholes. The stone's a little wrong, but it's all we had laying around. Yeah, it's much better than it was, and it pulled up the old chunks of asphalt without any issue. So this side I need a new wheel because the offset's wrong. Kind of see where it sticks out. But other than that, everything runs. I feel like the steering needs to be adjusted a little. Kind of pulls to the left a little bit when you're in straightforward mode. But it only has a little over 2,000 hours, so fairly low hour machine, and no welding done on it or anything crazy. This is a little beat up, but what are you gonna do? So yeah, there's not much you need, just little stuff like this clip here is obviously broken, so I need to replace that. This hinge, I don't know if I can re-weld that because they're really expensive from the dealer. But yeah, overall, I mean, it's really been helpful. So this is the first kind of video to show overview. I know there's a lot of attachments I can get for this. Hopefully I can stick on like a backhoe attachment, maybe one of those sweeper attachments. That would be helpful. But there aren't many of them around, and not many websites or videos about them. Just some people selling them here and there, or auction websites or whatever. But hopefully if you need parts for it or anything like that, you can post, and then I can help you out finding replacement parts or prices and part numbers and all that stuff. So very good. And all these pins, unlike the forklift, have like grease spots so they won't seize up on you. Just have to make sure those are all nicely greased, which it looks like these are for the most part. But yeah, seals are all good. Nothing's leaking out of here, surprisingly, or any of the lifts. And that's it. So I hope you like it as much as I do. Let me know what you think.